Alright, what's going on YouTube? We are back with another LS430 video today. And today we're going to be showing the LS430 a little bit of love. We're going to be restoring the headlights. As you can see, they're a little bit hazy, fogged up. But we have the Griots Garage ceramic headlight restoration kit. You can just pick this up at AutoZone, pretty cheap. We're going to see how this works first. If we got to take it a step further, we will, but we'll start with this. And pretty simple process. Step one, we're just going to mask off around the headlights. Don't leave any paint or bodywork exposed. And then now we're going to start the step one, the cleaning process. So let's get started with that. All right, guys. So step one is the oxidation remover. We'll just use one wipe per lens. And what does it say on the instructions, Bep?
It says
just give it a wipe down, moderate pressure.
Wipe the headlight lens evenly from top to bottom in a scrubbing motion with moderate pressure. Turn or fold wipe and repeat as necessary. Wipe will turn yellow and soiled as oxidation is extracted from the lens. Ooh, it's already looking a lot
This thing
nicer.
smells like
It's probably like chemicals taking off the oxidation.
yeah, you can definitely see the wipe starting to get yellow. It's good. Using some good pressure here. Actually.
That already looks way different than this one.
Nice. And yeah, the LS430, guys, has huge headlights, so it's like a big part of the front of the car. So if you can get these looking nice and pristine, the overall look of the car just looks great. Look at that.
Oh my gosh.
And that's after like just step one.
So it's like 2 minutes of wiping.
So yeah, guys, this is after step one of just the oxidation remover. They already look pretty good, but on to step two now. It's gonna be wet sanding for 3 to 4 minutes with the 1000 grit first.
Mm-hmm.
All right. So I guess we're just gonna wet sand, right? So, straight motions.
Light pressure in straight motions for 3 to 4 minutes.
Oh yeah, you see that yellow milky stuff coming off?
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, that's the stuff you want to get off.
So you keep sanding until the runoff turns clear or white.
All right, guys. So now we're just gonna repeat the same process with 2000 grit for another 3 to 4 minutes.
Mm-hmm.
All right, guys. So now we're just doing the same process with the 3000 grit. Another 3 to 4 minutes wet sanding, and we'll go from there.
Little to no pressure, yep. Wow. And then,
50% of that.
yep, over half of that. Whoa. And you're keeping it folded, not squeezing it or applying any pressure. Wow.
That's really cool. That's awesome. Come on. I feel like I gotta get I missed
Good. Wow. Oh my goodness.
Is that cool?
Look at that.
Whoa.
Before.
Damn, that's so cool.
Oh my gosh.
That's awesome.
Wow. Go.
It's one stroke, right?
It's amazing.
One stroke. 50%. Oh shit.
Wow.
That's like so cool, but it's harder here. Like I gotta go like a little past the ear.
Mm-hmm.
Just like clean that, right? And
Yeah, and then across.
Then, yeah, because the headlight's so damn big. Is that looking cool, dude?
Oh yeah.
One pass. Final. Here we go. Final pass right here. Ooh, that's saucy.
All right, let's see. Oh my goodness. Those are brand new headlights.
Seriously. Wow. Hit up your boy if you want your LS430 headlights done. Right here. All right. Wait.
Oh, maybe they're too wet.
Yeah, but
Never mind.
better method though. Still a better method. Wow, that looks excellent. Wet tape. Ugh. Wow, those look great. Griots Garage Headlight Restoration Kit. Pretty good.